Want some of that?
It's good. You don't like it?
No, I do. It's so big good.
Oh yeah, try it. So you might have to go to the restaurant.
This is good.
How many shots?
I think that's 3 or 4.
I know. Right there. Right there. Right where you're sitting.
Where's Tyson?
Getting coffee. Say cheese.
I gotta start doing this sound, man. Notice that I keep going like this.
What's wrong with me, right?
No, every picture's like be like this, man.
Switch it up.
I'll do that. 2 fingers. Where's your finger at?
Mom, you want some? Nah, you're gonna shit it out.
Here, Kenna, read it. Diba?
Wait, can you take a picture of me? Daddy, dapat
That's what I thought too. You go up there, you know, just enjoy the scenery. The majestic scenery.
Hey, Dad, can you get a picture
Yeah.
with your finger? So me and you.
Yeah.
Fix it.
I know, I was like,
Okay, come here.
you know, we're just going to the
Get in, get in.
Gondolo.
What happened to the middle?
It's middle.
Oh, there's the middle.
Yeah, we put that down.
But imagine this place though. It's snow.
I don't know, I think I like it.
I don't think it's slowed down. But like,
Yeah, when the trees fall
I
down.
feel like there's too many trees.
No, yeah, this is really for
That's $8.
sightseeing.
Mahal yan.
But look how high.
Look, we're going all the way up
Yeah,
there.
we're gonna go way up. Yo, that's crazy. Look how high. Like the tip.
I know that's what I'm saying.
See, mom, you guys can do it.
Oh no.
You can see the Philippines.
Where is that? This is
China. Yeah.
Us.
But China is like it's the goal is big. It's not just like no, it's
How many
big.
passengers?
China's big.
How many passengers?
Looks like 4 only. 4 only because it's